Good morning. Yeah, a lot of requests. Then how to do an example for Gaussian elimination. To solve a system of linear equations. Yeah, video. Okay, we are given this system of linear equations. Here, first of all, you need to write it in augmented form. And then we have to do apply our EROs, which is our formulas in a reducer into so that this side looks like an identity matrix. But since we're dealing with Gaussian elimination, so we still need our leading 1 CE, but only below leading 1 if 0. Just below if 0 Okay, so let's start off. We need a leading 1 on this on here. But we can see the leading 1 there's already 1 here. So we can just switch the two rows. Yeah, if I look at formula, R1 equals to R2 and R2 equals to R1. Switch here rows. Okay, so 1, negative 2, 1, 8. 2, negative 1, 2, 10, and 3, negative 1, 2, 11. Okay, yeah, now, luwag ako leading first, leading 1 lunga e. Kau lang find kako formulas. If 0 ay lalo le leading 1 le. So if 0 le row le, the 2 le. If 0 le 3 le, by using the leading 1 le. Okay, so formula for our 2. Di kima if 0 le 2. So kau nga multiply le leading 1 le by negative 2. If plus le e. So negative 2 times row 1 plus row 2. Same as here, I'm going to 0 to 3. So row 3 equals to negative 3 R1 plus R3. Okay, yeah, wala dun row 1 because we didn't do anything in row 1. Yeah, apply local formulas. So negative 2 R1 plus R2, so 0 E. Yeah, negative 2 times R1, so negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4 minus 1, that's 3. Negative 2 times 1, that's negative 2, plus 2, 0. And negative 2 times 8, that's negative 16, plus 10, negative 6. Okay, may lalo row 3, yeah, 0 E. Negative 3 times 1 plus 3, that's 0. Negative 3 times negative 2, that's positive 6 minus 1, 5. Negative 3 times 1, that's negative 3 plus 2, negative 1. Yeah, negative 3 times 8, negative 24. Negative 24 plus 11, 13. Negative 13. Okay, our next task. Yeah, we need this to be 1. Because the first column, the way the 1 leading 1, yeah, the 0 lalo leading 1. Okay, kako may lalo the second leading 1, no we need to make this 1. So whenever you make a number 1, ikaw nga multiply by the reciprocal of that number. So R2 equals to 1 over 3 times R2. Or just divide everything in row 2 by 3. So kung mawala lunga the row 1, yeah, divide lo. So 0 divided by 3, that's 0, 0. 3 divided by 3, that's 1. 0 divided by 3 is 0. Negative 6 divided by 3, that's negative 2. Kung mafu ilalo i. Okay, we need to make here 0. Leading 1 there, kaunga 0 lalo because it's Gaussian elimination. It's just below the 1 if 0, if 0 inga piko ilunga. Okay, by using this leading 1 for 0, 85, so R3 equals to negative 5 R2 plus R3. Okay, 1, negative 2, 1, 8. 0, 1, 0, negative 2, and 0. Yeah, lower 0 minus 5 there. Negative 5 times 0, 0, minus 1, still negative 1. Negative 5 times negative 2, that's positive 10, plus 13, that's negative 3. Sorry, positive 10 minus 13, more negative 3 there. Okay, and lastly, kakao for our leading 1 na lui, so it's just negative 1, so for our leading 1, so R3 equals to negative R3, just make everything negative or multiply by negative 1. And then 0, 0, yeah, our negative, and 3, so negative times negative and more positive. Positive ay lulayo negative 1 and negative 3 din mo lalaloy. So now low completes, this is how your Gaussian elimination should look like. Leading 1 with zeros below the leading 1 and some numbers above. Okay, kako solution la. So this is Z. So this is Z equals to 3. 1Z equals to 3. For E, we have our Y equals to negative 2. So lucky la we have Y less 0 X. 0 le Z. And we have lunga. So we have X. X minus 2Y plus Z equals 8. So X minus 2Y plus Z equals to 8 from here. Okay, we sub in our Z and Y kung solve X. So Z is 3 and Y is negative 2. So X minus 2 bracket negative 2 plus 3 equals to 8. X pakili kung plus 4 plus 3 equals 8. So this is 7. X plus 7 equals to 8. Minus both sides by 7. Therefore, X is 1. And that's our solution using Gaussian elimination. So X equals to 1, X equals to negative 2, and Z equals to 3.